simplify, x raised to 2 times y raised to negative 2. Okay, there's rules here. The first rule is we cannot have negative exponent, and the second rule is the final answer, all exponents supposed to be positive. Okay, so we cannot have negative exponent and all exponents are positive. So what we can do right now is take the reciprocal. Okay, let me rewrite that. So in mathematics, if you don't see a denominator, it means imaginary one. There's a denominator there, but it's an imaginary. So take the reciprocal or flip them. This moves up and this moves down. Doing that is you're changing the exponent, only this exponent. So I'm going to write that 1 x squared y, and take note, the exponent this time is positive 2. Okay. Now, after doing that, we can evaluate. So, if I distribute this here, I am multiplying. So x2 times 2 is going to be 4. So this is 1 here. 1 times 2 is going to be 2. Okay, so the answer is letter D. Next question. Simplify x over y raised to negative 3. The same rule. We're going to apply. So I'm going to flip this. Okay, remember the rules earlier? So let me write it small here. 3x over y raised to negative 3. The rules of earlier, there's imaginary 1. So you flip them, take this on the denominator, and put this on the numerator, and change the sign. So 1 over 3x over y, change this to 3. Positive 3. We change the color. So I'm going to distribute this in every coefficient, variable, and variable. So we can eliminate letter A or D because this is fraction. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Okay, x raised to 3 and y raised to 3. Now, remember the rules of flipping. Okay, so this is not on the choices, but remember the rules of flipping. The top has imaginary 1. Take this here, like the tortilla rule. Y3 times 1, 27x 3 times 1. So the final answer is y3 over 27x raised to 3. Answer is letter C.
Question number 8, rules of exponent. Simplify x raised to negative 4. So it's going to be the same rule. We are going to remove the negative 4. So we need to convert the negative 4 to a positive 4. Okay? So we'll take the reciprocal. So I'm going to do the same thing. Reciprocal of flip them. It's going to be 1 over x, but this time your negative 4 turns to positive 4. So your answer is letter A. Next question, number 9. Simplify 4 raised to negative 4. So same rule. Make that negative 4 to a positive by doing the reciprocal. Flip them, that turns to 1 over 4 raised to 4. So we can eliminate letter A and letter D. And these are positive, eliminate letter C. So the answer is 1 over 256. Letter B. Question number 10. Simplify x raised to negative 2, y raised to 3, raised to negative 2. Same rules. Okay, let me rewrite that. That this is over 1. So if I flip them, this, everything here goes down, and change the sign to positive, and this goes up. Now we can simplify this. So negative 2 times negative 2 is gonna be, let me write it here, x raised to negative 4. 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is 6. But take note, the rules is all answers supposed to be positive to even exponent. So we have a negative exponent here. What we can do is take this up on the denominator, and this going to be x to the 4th power over y to the 6th. So the answer is letter B. Thank you.